Hi everyone, it's Danielle here from YL Sunshine Diamonds. I'm down at the beach at Caloundra. The weather is actually quite nice. It's a little bit drizzly, but I'm still enjoying it. This morning I wanted to share with you the wipes that Young Living have because we have two. We have the Thieves wipes and we have the Seedlings wipes. The Thieves wipes, these ones are mainly used for public spaces. So we mainly use these for picnic benches, indoor cleaning on bench tops, public toilets, public shopping trolleys, anywhere you want really good, thorough cleaning. Now these have got Thieves essential oil in it, and if anyone knows what Thieves essential oil is like, it's quite hot. So putting this on a sensitive area like a baby's bottom is not recommended. So the Thieves wipes are infused with the renowned benefits of Thieves essential oil. The Thieves wipes can be used to cleanse the skin or any surface that needs cleaning. They have the Thieves essential oil, which is clove, cinnamon bark, rosemary, lemon, and eucalyptus radiata, but they're not for use on infants or sensitive areas of the body. However, if you do want some wipes that are great for sensitive areas and bubbers, the Seedlings baby wipes are ultra soft and comfortable. This soothing formula leaves skin moisturized, soft and smooth, whilst providing gentle and thorough cleansing without drying your infant's delicate skin. The Seedling baby wipes can be used on any part of the infant's skin. They're soft, thick and versatile. These wipes can handle a nappy change or a lunchtime cleanup. They're vegan friendly and they have a mild and gentle formula which contains cleansing botanicals and 100% pure essential oils. Then these wipes, these ones are for babies' bottoms. These ones are really soft and you'll actually find, I'll pull one out. So as you can see, they're quite large and they're actually really strong. And they smell amazing because they've got the benefits of essential oils. But these ones you'll actually find are really strong and they're smooth. You can use them for hands. These are actually part of the Seedlings, which is a whole range of baby products for newborn bubbers. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and if you want wholesale prices, send me an email at ylsunshinediamonds@gmail.com. So Thieves, these ones are for your hard, dirty spaces. These ones are for your most delicate, sensitive skin. Have a great one. Bye.